I am Amarna Jimji Daoud from ST Augustine. So today I'm going to present a tutorial video about two problems and show the solutions. The number one problem is a 15 feet long ladder is leaning against the wall. The bottom of the ladder is sliding away from the wall at rate of 1.5 per second. For this question, we have three questions that need to be answered. First, how fast is the top of the ladder sliding down the wall when the foot of the ladder is 12 feet away from the wall? B. How fast is the angle changing when x is equal to 12 feet? C. How fast is the area of the triangle changing when x is equal to 12 feet? So the second question is, a sphere has diameter of 32 millimeters. A frustum of the sphere is created by passing two parallel planes, one 12 mm from the center and the top of 10 mm from the center and on the opposite side of it. Compute for the volume of the frustum. So now let's proceed to a problem. How fast is the top of the ladder sliding down the wall when the foot of the ladder is 12 feet away from the wall? We want dy all over dt when x is equal to 12 feet. So, first we need to do is to find the value of y when x is equal to 12 feet. X squared plus y squared is equal to 15 squared. 12 squared plus y squared is equal to 225. 144 plus y squared is equal to 225. Y squared is equal to 225 minus 144. Square root of y squared is equal square root of 81 is equal 9. Y is equal 9. Our given is x is equal to 12, y is equal to 9, z is equal to 15. So, x squared 2 plus y squared is equal 15 squared d all over dt times x squared plus d all over dt times y squared is equal d all over dt 15 squared. So all we need to do is to cancel the d all over dt times 15 squared. Therefore, 2x dx all over dt plus 2y dx all over dt is equal to 0. So all we need to do is to cancel the value of 2x and 2y. Therefore, y dx all over dt is equal negative x dx all over dt. So dx is equal to dt is equal to negative x all over y dy all over dt is equal to, so now we need to do is to substitute the given value, the value of x and y. So negative 12 feet all over 9 feet times 1.5 feet is equal to negative 12 feet all over 6 feet is equal to negative 2 feet or seconds. So let's proceed to problem B. How fast is the angle changing when x is equal to 12 feet? So in this problem, we need to use a trigonometric function. So we need to find the value of cos theta is equal x all over 15 is equal to 1 all over 15 dx all over dt times x. So negative sin theta d theta all over dt is equal 1 all over 15 dx all over dt. Therefore, d theta is equal dt is equal negative 1 all over sin theta 1 all over 15 dx all over dt. So now let's proceed to finding the value of sin theta is equal y all over 15. Sin theta is equal y all over 15 is equal 9 all over 15 is equal 3 all over 15. So now we need to substitute. We have sin theta is equal 3 all over 15 and dx all over dt is equal 1.5 feet. d theta all over dt is equal negative 1 sine theta 1 all over 15 dx all over dt is equal negative 1 all over 3 all over 5 1 all over 15 times 1.5 feet is equal negative 5 all over 3 1 all over 15 times 3 all over 3. Therefore, the angle of changing is negative 1 all over 6 rad or 0.166 rad. So now let's proceed to see problem. How fast is the area of the triangle changing when x is equal to 12 feet? So A is equal 1 all over 2 xy, dA all over dt is equal y all over 2 dx all over dt plus y all over 2 dy all over dt is equal 9 all over 2 times 1.5 plus 12 all over 2 times negative 2 is equal 13.5 all over 2 minus 24 all over 2 is equal negative 10.5 all over 2 is equal 5.25 feet or second. So now let's proceed to the problem number 2. A sphere has a diameter of 32 mm. A frustum of the sphere is created by passing two parallel planes, one 12 mm from the center and the top 10 meter from the center and opposite side of it. Compute the volume of the frustum. So our formula is V is equal pi h all over 6 3a squared plus 3b squared plus h squared. So our h square is 12 millimeters from the center and the top millimeter from the center. So therefore h is equal 10 plus 12 is equal 22 centimeter. So to find the value of s squared, we need to use s squared and b squared. We need to use using Pythagorean theorem. So a squared is equal 16 squared minus 10 squared. A squared is equal 256 minus 100 is equal 156. So now let's proceed to b squared. B squared is equal 16 squared minus 12 squared. B squared is equal 256 minus 144 is equal 112. So using the calculator, V is equal pi 22 all over 6, 3 times 156 plus 3 times 112 plus 22 squared. V is equal 14,836.69 cubic cm. That's all. Thank you.